Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing Article 301 or what is an inhabited house, public building or building dedicated to religious worship and their dependencies. Article 301 defines the following words: inhabited house, dependencies, and public building. Inhabited house. Inhabited house means any shelter, ship, or vessel constituting the dwelling of one or more persons, even though the inhabitants thereof shall temporarily be absent therefrom when the robbery is committed. Ito yung lugar kung saan ka nakatira, nagpapahinga o natutulog. Pwede itong bahay, ship o vessel. Kahit nakabakasyon ka nung araw na may robbery, considered pa rin itong inhabited house. Dependencies. All interior courts, corrals, waterhouses, granaries, barns, coach houses, stables, or other departments or enclosed places contiguous to the building or edifice having an interior entrance connected therewith and which form part of the whole shall be deemed dependencies of an inhabited house, public building, or building dedicated to religious worship. Example, yung sari-sari store, pag nakadikit sa bahay at yung entrance niya ay nasa loob din ng bahay, considered itong dependency ng bahay. So part siya ng bahay. Kung doon sa bintana ng sari-sari store pumasok yung magnanakaw, considered pa rin itong robbery with force upon things. Orchards and other lands used for cultivation or production are not included, even if close, contiguous to the building, and having direct connection therewith. Public building. The term public building includes every building owned by the government or belonging to a private person, used or rented by the government, although temporarily occupied by the same. Public building ay pagmamay-ari o nirerentahan o ginagamit ng ating gobyerno. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.